Hello. Let me stay with Mr. Ryan, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a sentence. S equals hello. Eric.
Hi.
Hi. Ryan.
Hi.
Okay, so we have a sentence with only the uppercase, lowercase letter, and the space. Okay. We want to be able to truncate the sentence by first few words. For example, k equals 3. Then you need to tell me the output will be hello, Eric.
Hi.
Hi. That's it. Because that's the first three words and they're joined by a space. Okay. So look, there's one tiny thing is that the space there may be extra space here. Okay. There may be extra
Why?
space. And, the input may be having these multiple spaces between the words. So we'll be able to handle that. We only be able to. We need to be able to return only single space. Okay. There will be a single space. So in order to do this, remember how do we convert a string? How do we convert a string into an array of string by what's the word? What's the
Join. Split.
which one is it?
Split.
Yeah, look. If you look at this is hello, Eric, and then hi. Yeah. So if we split look, if we split the sentence by the space, then you give me an array of strings, right? So look, if this string is A space B space C, if there's only one single string, you can say, okay, this is S dot split. You can give a delimiter. Yeah, delimiter. What's this word mean? Delimiter. Delimiter. It means
Limit.
it means the single thing between these. Yeah, delimiter. So you can split by a single space, and you will return a list of A, B, C, right? But how about if there are multiple space? Then if you split by single space, then
Whatever you written something in space, whatever you written space, whatever you written space, about the amount of times you done it.
sorry. So we have given this if we have multiple spaces and we split by single space, you will have extra space, empty space between this A and B, which is not what we want. Okay. So the key thing here is that we don't give it a parameter. So we just call S dot split, and if I have extra space, you ignore it. Yeah, even the space between before and after. So you would still tell me A, B, C. You still tell me A, B, C. Okay. Even there are multiple space between these different words, and if there are extra space at the beginning and at the end. Okay. By the way, if as a string have a leading space, or the what do we call it? The tailing string. Yeah, we can use this strip function, S dot strip function, to get rid of it. And then we have a left strip, yeah, L strip, which is removes the leading space, and we have a R strip. Yeah, how do you call it? Strip or stripe? Strip. Yeah. Strip to get rid of the tailings. What do you call the space at the end? This is the leading space. What do you call it at the end?
We call it
Tailing or
tail
space. Okay, whatever. Okay. So yeah, so we can split it, and then what do we need to do afterwards? What do we need to do afterwards? Alright?
Yes.
What do we need to do afterwards?
We need to do.
So because look, if K could be a minion, we still need to return the whole sentence, right? Yeah. If the hello string, hello Eric, hello Ryan, if K is 100, what happened?
We can return hello Eric, hello Ryan.
That's it.
All
Yeah.
of it.
Yeah, that's it. So we should be able to handle that. Yeah. So let's say define
Puppet show.
truncate.
Yum 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 yum.
Truncate sentence.
Yum. Hi Eric. Hi.
The sentence S and a K. Okay. So first of all, we want to split it. So you tell me A equals S dot split.
Hi.
Should I give you the parameter or not?
Yeah. No.
If we don't give you parameter, what happens? You ignore
extra space.
Yeah, okay. And now we have, look, A is an array of string, right?
Yeah.
So we want to, how to convert it back from the array of string back to the sentence, to the S, remember? So what? Join, what's join? Join by a single space, yeah? Join, we want to join what? Array up to K, right? So what should I put here? Up to K, this is column, up to K. But the K could be the smaller, could be bigger than the length of A, right? Yeah? So what should I do here? What should I write here? What's here?
Column.
What's here? This is K, and we have a K and we have a length of the A. So which one?
Minus.
K and length A, which is the, look, K could be a million and length there could be only 4 words. So
you have to return all of it.
yeah, I know. We want to up to K, so which is, what do we, there's a function to call. There's a function to call, which is smaller, so what do we call it? I just said it. To get a smaller of these two values. Right, because the length A could be 4 words, K could be a million. So in this case, we need to return 4 words, right? But if K is 2 words and the length A could be 4 words, we want to return 2 words, okay? So what should I do here to get the minimum? So to get the smaller one, so what's the function? To get a smaller function.
Yeah.
So which function is it? M1. To get a bigger function is max. To get a smaller function is what?
Min.
Okay. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense. To get a smaller one. Okay, so that will be yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
How about if the string is empty? What happens? Is this going to break?
Yeah. No.
Let's try. S is empty. Empty string dot split. A will be empty. A is empty. Single space dot join empty up to minimum K whatever. Length A is 0, right? So this value will be 0. A empty string up to 0. So that's empty.
Return
Empty. You'll be returning. I think you'll be returning empty. Okay? Yeah. So it's not going there. How about one single word? Hello. Space, there will be single words. Up to length A will be 1, right? So the minimum will be this. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so how about K is negative? This is going to break, okay? Why is that? Because K, if it's negative, it doesn't make sense. Right? If K is minus 10, minus 1.
Doesn't make sense.
Actually, it might, but
Might not.
look.
Might not.
Look, this A equals 1, 2, 3. Remember? A1. What's A1 going to return? What's Will be up to 1, yeah? Up to 1, so there will be 1, right? A minus 1. So this is still makes sense. Up to minus 1. So it will be up to minus 1 to be this one, right? Up to, so it will be this one. I think, yeah? So it's better we check this K. If K is smaller than 0, then it doesn't make sense, right? Right? If K is smaller than 0, we just return nothing, or we can throw an exception. Raise something, raise an error, okay? Index slicing. Okay, I'm going to say one more thing. Index slicing. A up to 1 is this, right? A 1 to 2. 0, 1. Up to 2, so excluding 3, so it will be 2. Right? Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so the index slicing suppose the negative one, right? For example, A minus 1, what's it? What's this? A minus 1. 1, 2, 3, A minus 1.
A minus 1 is...
The last one, remember we talked about 3, yeah? A minus 2.
2.
2, exactly, okay. So we can also have this A minus 2 dash column. Then you'll be starting on the second to the last here, and then to the end. There will be 2, 3. Yeah? So A dash to minus 2. 0 to dash minus 2, so 0 to minus 2. So this is minus 1, minus 2. Okay? Yeah, actually I have to check. A dash minus 2. Give me a second to check, okay? I'm not quite sure.
Wow.
Okay, let's check. Let's check. A equals 1, 2, 3. And if A dash minus 1, yeah, 1, 2, dash minus 2, 1, okay? Okay, yeah. So look, A is 1, 2, 3. A to dash minus 1 is 1, 2. A to dash minus, column minus 2 is 1, 1, okay? Make sense?
Mm,
Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Okay, that's it for today. Bye-bye.